Hi guys, and welcome back to the channel once again. So I'm up here with my friend and we have got the 17 plate KA Plus that we have been hard at work on. So you saw in the last episode that I got the doors painted and I dropped them up for the thumbnail and we got them on temporarily. They're already back off. I will give you a quick walk around of what's been going on so far. So I'll put a picture up on screen of this sill beforehand, and this is it now. So he's been hard at work whilst I've been painting the doors, etc., working on other builds. He's pulled the entire sill out, filled it, primed it. This is 2-pack primer. We just got to put a bit of etch on that metal there with just a little bit of a high spot, but it should all be looking uniform once we've got some paint on there. So what the plan is, we're going to be removing this front door here. It doesn't need any work, but it will be much easier to bag and mask the car up with that door off. So that'll take us a quick 5 minutes just to get that off. It's all keyed up ready. We're going to be painting up well, I'll show you once we've mastered it up, but we will be blowing in this primer and then just lacquering up to certain points on the A pillar, B pillar and C pillar. Walking round, we have got the rear door. I'll put in some of the clips of me actually blocking this down and filling it. I haven't uploaded that. That was just a bit of work, so I will insert that now. And this is the door afterwards, all blocked down and ready to go, looking much smarter. And with obviously the color, you saw how the two doors I sprayed in the last episode come out. They look gorgeous, and this will look exactly the same. We're looking to polish up this top half here and then just paint along this body line here, and then it should all blend in nicely. Coming around to this rear quarter and this entire sill. So this was the main side where the primary damage and the primary crash was. This sill is looking excellent. I gotta be honest, take my hat off to my good friend who doesn't want to be filmed. He has smashed it out of the park. He's actually brought this body line back in all the way through, and it looks stunning. Obviously without the color on, it's hard to see exactly how well it looks compared to how we got it, But what we'll be doing the same again, we'll be taking off this, what is that called? I struggle with names of things, but we're taking this off just for easier to paint. We'll be taking that sticker off because it's pretty useless anyway. And obviously this VIN plate will be masking up, and we'll be masking up this sticker here. So hopefully we're just going to paint the rear quarter, the entire inside and the outside of the sill. And we're going to be doing some stone chip sort of paint underneath, because you've got the actual texture underneath, but then where the bit of filler is, it's nice and smooth now. So we got to get it all nice and uniform, like it's never been in a crash before. So there's a lot of work to do, and we're planning on getting it all done tonight. It's already 5 p.m, so we've got a lot of work ahead of us. So hopefully, I haven't got my tripod with me today, but I'm going to give you as many voice clips and as many videos as possible. So there's the update. Hope you're all happy. I'm really happy. And let's get on with this thing. Let's have it. So I've done some putty just in all the little divots that we had in the door. We'll be sanding them down in a minute. Done our stone chip under here, and it looks excellent, I gotta say. So that's all ready for painting now, and it looks OEM. Just gonna mask up now, and then hopefully we get some paint on the entire car, which is gonna be very exciting. And hopefully quite a big step in getting this thing near completion. Right, so as you can see, the entire car is bagged up and masked up, completely ready for us to spray base coat and lacquer. We're going to do a little undercoat of either the etch primer, or we're going to get some jet black. We haven't decided yet, but this is what we're working with. So obviously in this corner here, you're not going to see where we blend. So that's why we've chosen that edge there. And then up this edge, we'll polish, and we'll polish every edge that you can see. Because of course, after the paint, you'll see just that little bit of a soft edge. So you'll just give it a tickle with 3000 and polish it up. But you can see on this side here, we're actually painting right into the door. So we've just back masked off there. And just followed some of the edges with some soft edge, and we're going to be painting right up into this corner here. So yeah, a lot of colour going on this side compared to the other side, and we've actually just masked up over the badges and the stickers, and just got a fresh blade and cut around the edges of those so they all look OEM, and it should look like it did from factory. So this is what we're working with. We're just over there bagging up the door. That is going to be getting sprayed as well. And yeah, hopefully we can get a good job done on this. No runs, with our fingers crossed. And hopefully we'll see this car in some colour now. Coat is on over the primer, so hopefully this will give us some better coverage now all around, and we'll save money on base coat. Yeah, almost ready for real colour, guys. done. I have to speak loud because the music's on. Just getting ready for a drop coat. And then we'll be lacquering then. Phone's on 3%, so I gotta make these clips quick. But looking really good. We've left this one dent. We did have a lot of work to do. But that'll just go down as a seatbelt sort of dent. But the rest of it, spot on, guys, spot on. Right, guys, so we are the next day. Phone died, couldn't do a sort of an outro video, but I'm up here the next day just to come up and see what I can do for an hour or two. I'm gonna end out this video just showing you what we managed to achieve last night. So what we did, we peeled up all the tape on the edges just so we didn't get a not a seal, but a build up if things did run. They run a bit more freely and didn't create an edge anywhere. So all in all, come out well. Unfortunately, just the environment we're in, it did get a lot of crap in the paintwork, but we can polish all of this out. Color wise and coverage wise, really good. No runs from what I can see right now. So what I'm gonna do is unbag all of this, and then hopefully in the next episode we'll get the doors on, get it polished up, get it all built up on the inside. Definitely need a valet. It will definitely need a valet. It is disgusting in there. But here we are. I'll show you the other side because this is the most important side really. And it come out gorgeous. You would never be able to tell that this was in a Cat S crash. So I'll put a picture up on screen just for you that can't remember exactly how it looked on this one side. But look at the difference. Look at the difference on that. So yeah, very happy with our work. And I can't wait to get this thing all built up, polished up. And yeah, looking like a car again. So that's where I'm going to end out this episode, guys. I hope you all have enjoyed this painting journey that we have successfully done. Next step is definitely building it up, debagging it, cleaning it up, polishing it up. There's tons of overspray on the roof and other panels. Long way to go, but we are definitely in the end zone now, guys. So yeah, if you did enjoy the video, please click the thumbs up button, subscribe if you are new, and click the bell icon if you want to be notified when I upload next. Plenty on the way, plenty to come. Hope you've all enjoyed, and I'll catch you all in the next one, guys. Peace.